Hello, this is Colonel Sanjay Pandey for you. On the intro number 2 video, this series is meant for youth 15 years to 29 years as per me and to develop their mind power to become good human beings with excellent character. This is what the country needs today more than anything else. Introduction 1 video, if you remember, was all about me trying to establish my credibility with you. With so many people and so many thousands of videos available on leadership, how do you differentiate one from another? The only thing that differentiates is credibility. On social media, in public domain, credibility is established when you lay your life bare, absolutely open to scrutiny to everyone. I have promised you, if I haven't done it, I will not preach. I will not take a video or a lesson or a sermon on truthfulness if I have not been truthful in my life. I will not sermonize on honesty if I have not been honest myself. I will not sermonize you on moral courage if I don't have the moral courage. And if I had all these qualities or not, more than me, it is those 8-10,000 people who know me, who were either my subordinates or seniors or my peers who would know about me. Public domain social media is brutal. It takes hardly any time for someone to bring out facts and just post it. When I have this courage to look into your eyes and say, trust me, I have done tremendous amount of work and shot my videos, uploaded on my channel about myself, about my veterans declaration and about my credibility. Just to tell you that this is what I am. Coming to this particular video is about youth and mind power. How exactly to form your character? How exactly to form your character by DIY kit, do it yourself kit? Do it yourself kit is not for furniture or for an electronic item. Where is your DIY kit of your personality? Who stopped you making your own personality? Not everyone is endowed by good parents or good atmosphere at home, nor would they know what are the good virtues, how exactly to develop them. I am here exactly for that. For anyone who is 18 years or less, these videos actually become the start point for your life. And for anyone who is more than 18 years old, these videos will come as the corrective action that you must take. The best part is, right till 29, if you are following these videos, you have all the chance in the world to improve. When you talk about your identity, what is your identity? Till the time you are known in society, friends, relatives, or anyone as so and so's son or so and so's daughter, that is their identity, that is not yours. When will you be known by your identity? Physical identity is one. At 18, you must have your passport, you must have your Aadhaar card, you must have your driving license, you must have your PAN card, you must have your bank account. All of these are mandatory. So the day you turn 18, you must start processing all these, and before you are 19, you must have all these documents. So your physical identity is complete. Where is your personality identity? How do people form an impression about you after you leave a class, a gathering, a party, or simply a symposium, or it may simply be a picnic? What exactly is the image that you leave behind? If you are on the upper side of youth, 25 plus, you already have formed. And if you're not really very happy with whatever personality you are depicting, it's time for you to change. And trust me, you can. One of the best ways I have always uh, recommended to the youth is that take a paper and pen and think about yourself that, say, 10 years hence, what is the character trait you would like to be known for? Would you like to be known for your truthfulness, fair judgment, being impartial, being honest? What is it that you want for yourself? Write it down on a paper. And it's not very difficult. Each person is going to write different things. So you write it down on a paper. Thereafter, from the day you write down, you simply have to work towards it. And when you start consciously working towards it, you are actually crafting your own personality. It's something like, imagine a marble stone. Instead of a workman, the marble stone itself has got a chisel and a hammer and it is crafting itself. Not a difficult thing to do for a human being. Unless you give yourself that sort of a maturity, that sort of age to understand things, and a will to transform yourself, you cannot. Do not blame your parents. Do not blame your elders. Do not blame your teachers. Who stopped you crafting your own personality? No one. So do it. When you are in school, when you are in college, when you are in your first job, or when you are in your regular work life, there is a particular image that has been formed. If you know someone from school and you know right till later years of work life, there is an impression you have formed. You see in movies where the heroes, when they are in 30s and 35s and 40s, they're talking about their childhood friends in a particular way. Okay, this boy is to be like this. The thing is that, do you want to remain like that for your life, or do you want to change? This DIY kit of personality which I talk of, you can do it anytime. You have to know at least what to do. This is where this entire series comes in, where we talk about experience, I talk about my life, I talk about what I have done, and I will suggest you ways that this is how you can do it. And thereafter carry out an assessment every 6 months to see whether actually it is making a difference. I have seen youth transform 100%. 100%. You'll not believe this. So when we are talking about transformation, the transformation starts taking place the day you decide to change from what you were and what you want to be. That is one. Or you have been molded in that mold right from beginning. So then you don't know whether you have to change because you are being molded correctly. So how do you get this right mold every time? You can't. You can't blame your parents. So where do you get this mold from? You get this mold from understanding what a good human being is, what the character trait should be, how they are to be developed, how the character traits harm you, how the character traits become painful. Being truthful, let me give you assurance, is the most painful character trait you will ever learn in life. I have suffered throughout my life for being truthful. I don't mind it. The pain that I have undergone being truthful, I think, is sweet enough for me, for a simple reason that when I talk to people, they think 10 times before talking to me back or looking into my eyes. That is the strength of character. So why shouldn't I enjoy this? It gives me a kick. Honesty gives me a kick. Moral courage gives me a kick. But the negative part of this is that all of this does not necessarily help you in your career growth. So I had decided at the end of the day, I want to be a good human being, professionally competent, and I want to be part of this society, give back to this society by personal example. And in this series of videos, there are two small case studies I will tell you now. I will not be doing this series myself. I will be bringing in two young people in this. One is going to be part of all the videos, that is Shubhankar Chaudhary, my son's classmate, who I know from last about 8 to 10 years, and from last 3 years, one to one directly, because he works with me. He's learned his entrepreneurship, the molding of the character, personality, mind power. He has learned it himself. The second is a very, very different type of a case study. Later on, some videos will start appearing, which I'm trying not to have frequent, just twice in a year. Maybe 4 videos every 6 months. And I will call those videos, that series, as Growing Up with Polly. Now, who is Polly? Hi, Polly. Come. This is Polly.
Hello everyone, my name is Polly and I am with uncle since childhood.
Polly was with us when he was 9 months old. Polly is 13 years today. He is in class 8. There is something this boy said when he was maybe 3 years old, when he knew, three and a half, when he knew what to talk. One day when he was standing next to me in my home with my wife sitting next to me, and his mother was also there, I just asked him random question. I said, Polly, बड़े होके क्या बनोगे? What do you want to become when you age? And from nowhere the reply comes, engineer बनूंगा. A 3.5-year-old guy, engineer बनूंगा. I say he doesn't even know what he's talking. So he has obviously heard it somewhere. I said, engineer क्यों बनोगे? Why do you want to become engineer? And his reply shocked me. He says, बड़ा होऊंगा, इंजीनियर बनूंगा, कार खरीदूंगा, मम्मी को पीछे बिठाऊंगा और फिर मैं जाऊंगा. 3.5, 4 years of age. He had not even gone to the prep school that time. I looked at my wife, she simply nodded. We were in sync 100%. I looked at his mother, I looked at Polly. I just told him, I said, Uncle, तुमको इंजीनियर बना के रहेगा. I said, you are my responsibility from that day. Whether he becomes engineer or not, I don't know, but he's growing up with me. We are growing up with Polly. Let's all grow up with Polly. Let's see what he finally transforms into. It's 13 years of his life that I'm telling you today. He's a 90%er, A plus every subject, unit test, half yearly, any exam for that matter. And he's a child who benefited most in COVID lockdown. He had a laptop, we gave him online coding classes. He started coding himself. My son, my son's friend, my daughter, and my wife, they all have had a major part in his growing up. Shubhankar has had a great part in his growing up. It's a community which is after him. Each one has a part. I'm just a segment, a small segment of this entire thing. Every one plays his role. So whether it is his character, whether it is his personality, whether it is his studies, whether it is anything, he's growing up with us. That's why the series Growing Up with Polly. And to tell you, Polly is not the real name. And for obvious reasons, we will hide that real name. But it should suffice to say that anyone who has come to my home from 2010 till this video is shot, there is no one who does not know Polly personally, one to one. Whether it is my mother who is 82 years old, or whether it is my relatives, my friends, my peers, my army colleagues, or my son, his friends, or Shubhankar, his friends, or my daughter, her friends, anyone and everyone who has stepped in my house, they know him because he has food with us. He has food with us on the dining table. He practically is part of our house. So if this is that molding going on, so for me it is a real-time test. That is the type of investment I do. And the only promise I made to his mother was, till the time he enters the engineering college or graduation for that matter, wherever the life takes him, until the time he completes, I will not leave this boy, neither will I leave this place, and neither will I leave the physical proximity. So I cannot be calling him, sab theek hai, everything is fine, and I'm sitting somewhere else. No, I've practically given up everything for Polly. So the series of Growing Up with Polly, I think is going to be very, very interesting. Right, Polly?
Yes, Uncle.
You can say bye to everyone.
Bye, everyone.
So that was Polly. And this is how we'll go. What I intend to do now onwards is that the first, second, third, and fourth episode are going to be on the 4 character traits I think are an absolutely must, a start point for any youth. Truthfulness, humility, honesty, and moral courage. Think about all this. Importance of being truthful, being humble, being honest, and having moral courage. If you don't develop it now, I can assure you they will never be developed. These have to be practiced. So we will have 4 separate episodes on this. Then we'll have a roundup of everything that has happened. Then I will introduce 4 more new topics. First is character, then is credibility, then is commitment, and last is contribution. Now, if you see all these topics, these are all DIY kits. Do you require anyone to tell you? No, you can start yourself. All these things you can start practicing yourself. And just to tell you, on a very, very funny side, after a few last year, we found for small things, Polly lied to us. Very small things. Absolutely inconsequential. They're not important. But then what is the importance of telling the truth? He's a child. So what we did was we gave his Gmail identity. He has a Gmail, and he has a couple of other logins for that coding thing. So we converted his password into credibility. So every time he had to type a password, he would type credibility. And then it became a joke that after typing so many times, we are sure you will have one. And then every time we made him see the meaning of the word. What exactly does it mean? Moral courage. He practices. Not difficult at all. So I think this is going to be a great series. See you then. This was introduction 2, and now from next episode 1, we start with the 4 major characteristics that I think a youth must start developing to become good human beings. Take care and bye-bye. This is Colonel Sanjay Pandey for you.